What's going on, Amazon? Today we're reviewing this 16 head massager here. This one is super comfy. It has different modes, has 3 different modes, and it feels a lot like an actual massage. It's a lot better than other massage guns I've tried. You could charge it right there. It also has red light therapy. When I turn it on right now, you'll see it in this circle right here. But it feels super good. It feels like some human hands, and I'll show you how this works. So just hold this. Boom. There we go. This starts moving. You can feel that. It feels super good, and then you can just take it up a little bit if you want. So go up 1, and then just increases, and I like it a lot. I would definitely say it works great. If you guys want one, I would definitely say this makes a great massager.